I'm Kekeletso Tsilwane, one of the co-founders of Ramtilo Manufacturing and Construction, and this is Kiliboni Tsilwane, my sister and co-founder. We are Ramtilo and we manufacture these bricks that are made out of part plastic. Yes, part plastics. This brick is strong, durable and fire retardant. They still use the normal conventional ways as cement bricks, so you don't need any special adhesive or mortar to it. And we've been with the BBCBE for approximately 6 months. It's been a wonderful journey filled with wisdom and great opportunities.
The impact of the BBC in the construction industry is undeniable. We've seen so much changes over the short 13-year period that the BBCBE has been in existence. And I mean, conversations in the boardroom around black inclusion in construction, supply and consulting has taken a norm now, and I don't think that would have been the case had the BBCBE not been in place. The benefits of joining the BBCBE, I'd say, are insane. As a supplier specifically, we've seen advocacy from the BBC. We've had education from the BBC. We've also seen a bridge in the huge gap that we know of between government and private sector construction projects, where the BBCBE has actually forged a relationship there and had tough conversations that ordinary companies like us wouldn't be able to have. But on our behalf, we know that we've got a big brother, so to speak, who's advocating for legislation and policy changes that ensure that we have a role to play, and not just a small role as a partner that is taken on, but actually as a mainstream player in projects. Oh, there's been so many issues that they've helped us with, but I think one of the big ones for us is being able to speak to industry players, the big guys, with just a phone call, but being part of membership and being one family. But the biggest one for us has been the endorsement and the certification of our plastic bricks, which is very big because on its own, it says that we've got black-owned companies that are in the alternative building technology space using recycled plastic, and this is a growing trend. We've seen companies, international companies coming into South Africa, building plastic roads in KZN in East London, for example. And through this relationship with the BBCBE and going towards the certification of our plastic bricks, we're saying that we've got local black-owned companies that are ready to play in that space and that are ready to be integrated into construction in the mainstream. We take it for granted how important legislation and policy changes are in our day-to-day running of our businesses, and we become very silo, especially in the operations of our business, without understanding that legislation and policy changes that take place at the top actually affect how we run our businesses. Being a member of the BBCE not only allows you to be at the forefront of potential changes to legislation, but you also have a rare opportunity of being able to provide input in something that could possibly change the industry. So not only are you able to control what you do on a daily basis, but now you're also part of the control of what happens on the outside on an industry as a whole. So I'd urge fellow companies out there to join the BBCBE because the benefits are truly, like I said earlier, insane. And you're able to be in a family of small, medium to large siblings who all have an equal voice. We're grateful to the BBCBE for the role that you play in the construction industry, but also in the consulting and supply industry. We are 6 months in and we are so full of happiness and so full of joy that we took this decision to join the BBCBE, and we hope that we'll be able to build stronger relationships with internal and external stakeholders through the BBCBE, because there's a huge growth in alternative building technology and there's a huge growth in using recycled plastic in manufacturing of building material. And we would like to see BBCBE playing a key role in ensuring that there is that growth for black industry.